AI robots that already exist in 2025. Artificial intelligence isn't just science fiction anymore, it's reality. From robots that think, talk, and even express emotion, to machines that can do dangerous or complex human jobs, the future has arrived. Today, we're counting down AI robots that already exist in 2025, and what they can do will absolutely blow your mind. One. A mecha, the human-like robot. First up is a mecha, created by Engineered Arts in the UK. This is one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world, known for its realistic facial expressions and AI-powered interactions. A mecha can hold natural conversations, read emotions, and even react with subtle human gestures. She's being used to test how humans and machines can communicate emotionally, and it's both amazing and a little creepy. Two. Optimus, Tesla's iRobot. Next is Optimus, developed by Tesla. Elon Musk revealed this humanoid robot to help with repetitive and dangerous tasks, powered by the same AI technology used in Tesla cars. By 2025, Optimus can walk, carry boxes, recognize people, and adapt to its environment. Tesla plans to use thousands of these in their factories, and someday, maybe even in your home. Three. Asimo's successor, Honda's iRobot. Remember Asimo from Honda? Well, in 2025, the new generation AI robot builds on that legacy. It's designed for mobility, assistance, and learning. This robot can recognize voices, understand commands, and help the elderly or disabled. Honda's goal? To create a robot that can function as a true household assistant, not just a machine, but a helpful companion. Four. Sophia, the social robot. One of the most famous AI robots ever, Sophia by Hanson Robotics. She was the first robot to receive citizenship from Saudi Arabia, and is known for her lifelike face and conversational AI. In 2025, Sophia continues to evolve, using OpenAI-style language models to hold deep, human-like conversations, and she's now being used for education and research in empathy-based robotics. 5. Atlas, the superhuman robot. And we can't forget Atlas, from Boston Dynamics, the world's most athletic robot. Powered by advanced motion AI, Atlas can run, jump, do backflips, and even perform parkour. In 2025, it's now being trained to work in disaster zones, where human rescue is too dangerous. It's the perfect mix of raw power and machine intelligence. Bonus: AI robots changing industries. Beyond humanoids, AI robots are everywhere, in factories, restaurants, hospitals, and even space missions. From robotic nurses assisting surgeries to autonomous delivery robots in city streets, AI is already changing how the world works. So, the next time someone says robots are coming in the future, tell them they're already here. These AI robots of 2025 are proof that we're living in a new era of intelligent machines. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more futuristic tech content every week. This is AbinaTube, and I'll see you in the next one.